A culturally rich folk music event, Mukumu Jaduni Ter, was successfully organized on November 1st at Maharani Kami Kamalpur. The event was conceptualized and hosted by Dr. Bijoy Debbarma in loving memory of his late parents, Dharmarai and Priti Rani, with the novel goal of preserving and promoting the indigenous folk music and artists of the region.
Chini Jaduni Ter Celebration Committee ne Chairman Basala Kuso Dr. Bijoy and Koinai Jodyo Mala Tangchano
Tabo Chini Pandani Business Light Chini Convener Chini.
The program served as a vibrant platform for cultural exchange, bringing together people from various tribal communities across the Dholai district. Each group was invited to showcase their unique culture and perform the traditional Jaduni folk song. The event was further graced by the presence of village headmen and senior citizens from several surrounding villages. The ceremony began with a warm traditional welcome extended to all guests. Attendees were honored with a traditional risha, symbolizing respect and hospitality. Following the welcome, a formal tribute was paid to Dr. Bijoy Debbarma's late parents. The guests offered their gratitude and respect by presenting a flower garland to the statue erected in their memory.
Tabo Chini Pandani Business Light Chini Convener Chini Oroni Minda Winno Vyakti Bilake Borom Gunang Onukul Debbarma Bo Tinini Priti Rani Bormon late Bono Mungkorinai.
In a poignant moment, Dr. Bijoy Debbarma shared a brief, heartfelt account of his life and family, connecting his personal history with the cultural purpose of the gathering.
Chini Harani Okara Joto Bidani Borogrok Boxing Sakai in Kamalpur Jaduni Ter Celebration Committee Chairman Convener Tai Joto Jaraswari Jotono Ani Bible Hambaya Faro Tai Norogno Dharmarai and Priti Rani Nukum Neungoi Kabai Kubai Nono Lamsogo Yasago Fuluma Tai Borom Yafaroi ang Kisa Aumi Babuni Kokno Kisa Sai Ariano Ani Aumbai Babu Abo Kisa Parni Kami Abo Kisa Hano Age Chini Kamni Bumung Tomanakai Maharani Kami Se Maharani Kami Simi Abo Maharani Ungka Maharani Simi Sab Kisa Ponjat Secretary Kami Borogbai Saya Ponjat Bis Halayawai Abono Maharani Snamka Hai na hai tesa Maharani Se Maharani Pur Ngai Chini Swai Bumung Kai Kamai Snaka Go Je Tuition Bumung Aboke Maharani Tomase.
Following Dr. Debbarma's speech, the stage came alive with performances. Folk artists representing different types showcased their skills, performing traditional folk songs and playing various indigenous folk musical instruments.
Asilba Tanga Katiha Paika Tabune Samoy Rogba
Baba Kurune Yagulo
Later, speaking to a reporter from Chini Khorang, Dr. Bijoy Debbarma elaborated on the core purpose of the event. He passionately stressed the importance and urgent need to preserve both the folk songs and the artists who keep them alive, emphasizing that these elements are not mere entertainment but represent the fundamental identity of the community.
Hi there again. We are very grateful today. Our Dr. Bijoy Debbarma, he specially invited us to his village. In the this is what was the village, sir?
This is Maharani.
Maharani. Yeah. So coming here, we have seen a very special event going on, a cultural event based on the remembrance of his parents. So we would like to know from himself only about today's event. What are the vision? What is your vision to organize such a beautiful event, calling from all tribes, tribal community leaders, and all the folk singers and all? We can see there are different types of folk singers. They came today, they perform and all. Yeah. So what are your target and what are your views on this day?
At the very outset, I extend my thanks and gratitude to all the Kogru vernacular media, including Chini, Khorang, Tripura, for accepting my invitation and coming here and covering the whole program. As you have mentioned that this is Jaduni Ter. Jaduni Ter means it is a festival of folk song and folk music. The folk song and folk music is the asset of any community. Maybe any community. In Tripura there are 19 tribes. This encompassing all the tribes, we are known as what? Tripuris. The Tripuris, they are clan, and that we call the Hoda. After this Hoda again, small again sub clan is there. That sub clan, our traditional songs, no, this are not says Jaduni, Jaduni, which is based on our life. It may be based on the this shifting cultivation, shifting was the hook and guiding zoom cultivation, maybe based on the marriage, based on the funeral, based on the this abul sumani or this what Bengali called the this onnoprasan, or maybe harvesting, maybe cropping, collection of this different this thing, and this is the part and parcel of our life. This Jaduni festival, after coming here today, many unknown things I have come to know. Previously it is unknown, now we came to know. You see, we actually know only what there are only two stream in this Jaduni. One is Uttaragani, but Dokindagani. But it's the Uttaragani Dokindagani is not the actual Kokbrok. It is served Dunaragani and Titaragani. After coming here, I came to know that there is a Dasparagani, there is a Beri Ragani, there is a Dunaragani, different varieties. And these varieties are the beauty, this variation are the beauty of the Jaduni, and these are a priceless treasure. And unfortunately, this variation, there is no any initiative or effort to preserve those variation, those originality, and it is on the verge of extinction. That is why today I have organized. I have called all the folk singers. You see, today those singers, those artists, musicians who have attended. What they have played, they have sang the Jaduni songs. They are all above somewhere 60, 70, 80. And today, this is surprisingly, one fellow is 104 years old, and he played the Chongpreng. What is this is amazing thing, no? It is amazing experience. It is a lifetime experience. We cannot let all those our treasure be washed away, be forgotten, or become extinct. At any cost, we have to preserve. And today, see, we have recorded it, and then we have to archive. Now we have the cloud, no? Cloud. On the cloud, it will preserve for thousands of years. And we can present it. These are the Dunaragani, these are the Dasparagani, these are the Beri. We can present to our young generation.
The cultural program was a resounding celebration of the region's rich musical heritage. Reported by Prabir, Nelson and Salome from Kamalpur, Chini, Khorang.